Good morning everyone and welcome to your English class. Today students, we are going to start a new chapter from your grammar book, and the chapter's name is articles. Okay, articles are a, an, the. Okay, these three are known as articles. Okay, the use of these three are known as articles. These are articles a and the. Okay, so let's begin the chapter. An orange is a citric acid. See, an orange and a citric acid. Okay. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Here, an apple a day. Okay. Keeps a doctor away. He saw the doctor. The doctor. The sun rises in the east. The sun rises in the east. Okay. So the use of articles in between the sentences it depends upon different situations that we'll read in the chapter. Further you will understand how we have to use articles in between the sentences or in starting of a sentence. Okay, so that we are going to learn in this chapter. Okay, so see here, the words the and a or an are called articles. This you have known, I have already written that. The is called the definite article. Definite article means it cannot change. Okay, it's going to remain the same. It will never change. So that is definite article, because it points out some particular person or thing. It points out some particular person or thing. See, person or thing is not going to change, it's going to remain same. So that is definite article. Okay, he saw the doctor. Here the means some particular doctor. He saw some doctor. The doctor is going to remain doctor. It's not going to change. For tomorrow he's not going to become an engineer, he's going to remain a doctor. So this is the use of the here. Okay, the word a or an is called the definite article because it leaves indefinite the person or thing spoken of. See, indefinite means it can be change, it can change. Okay, it's not necessary that it will remain same. Send for a doctor, that is any doctor. Okay, here it is saying send for a doctor. You can call any doctor. Okay, not necessary some particular doctor, but you can call any doctor. I want a pencil, that is any pencil. Any pencil, not mentioned pencil name. Okay, that I want Flair's pencil, or I want Apsara's pencil, or I want Dom's pencil. No, it's not mentioned. It's mentioned you can bring any pencil. Okay, so here you have to remember two things: definite and indefinite. Definite means that's going to remain same. Indefinite means it leaves indefinite the person or thing, means doesn't specify, does not clear. Okay, it gives you lots and lots of options. So these are the two differences. In a definite article you have to use the, and in indefinite article you have to use a and an. A and an. Okay, don't get confused. So see here now the use of a and the. Okay, we use the definite article when it is clear from the context which person or thing we mean. Okay, we use the definite article when it is clear, when it is absolutely clear that in from the context which person or thing we mean, what we are talking about, it is absolutely clear. Okay, we use the indefinite article when it is not clear. Indefinite article we use when things are not clear, and definite article when we use when the things are clear. Which one we mean. It is not clear which one we mean. It is not clear. It does not give you a particular name or particular sign or particular thing. Okay, it's not clear. And definite article, it is absolutely clear. The postman is coming. We know which postman. Okay, we are seeing and we know which postman is coming. A postman fell off his bicycle. We don't know which postman. A postman refers to any postman. Okay, here we know that, okay, see there the postman is coming. Here we are talking about a postman fell off his bicycle, but we don't know who that postman was, but just some postman fell off his bicycle. Okay, see here, let's go to the park refers to the park we usually go to. Here we already know, okay, we are going to this particular park, so this is absolutely clear. And here there is a park near Don Bosco School. We don't know, it's new. So there is some park near Don Bosco School. It is not clear which park is meant. Here the park isn't mentioned because we don't know which park it is, but we are just saying that there is one park there. Okay, when we will go and we will see, we will come to know which park it is, but there is some park. Okay, here it means this. See here, it is showing the use of a and an. Okay, only a and an, not the. We also use the indefinite article in the sense of one. In sense of one means in a singular form. Wait a minute, give me an X. Okay, here a and an is used for singular purpose, for one particular thing. Okay, the article an is used before a word beginning with a vowel sound. You know what is a vowel? Vowels are a, e, I, o, u. These are 5 vowels. The remaining 21 are consonants. Okay, so an is used before a word beginning with a vowel. Any word beginning with these letters, we use an. What we use? An. Okay, sound or a silent H. Silent H means there is we can say honest. Honest is a word, but here H is not a vowel, it's a consonant. But the pronunciation of this word, the sound that we get is honest. O sound is coming. So here H is silent. We don't say honest, we say honest. Okay. As, an ass, an enemy, an inkstand, an office, an orange, an hour, an air, an honest man. See, here we have used an before all the vowels. H, R, we say R means O-U-R, R. Okay, it's actually an R, but your H is silent. The article an is used before words like an MA, an MBA, an ST, etc. It is used before abbreviations also. Okay, here. As they start with a vowel sound, MA. And MBA, the sound, no, with a vowel sound it starts. Okay, but we say an Europe is sounding like Europe. Okay, a university, a union, a 1 rupee note, because these words begin with a consonant sound Y and W. Europe. Okay, Europe, how it is sounding Y-O-U, the sound U is coming. Okay, that's why you have to pay attention towards the sound also. The word that you are pronouncing, what is actually the sound coming. So you have to be careful with that also. Just not that ma'am said, okay, the words beginning with a vowels we have to use N. No, you have to be careful about the words, that the sound of the words also. Okay, doesn't mean that if the word is starting with a vowel, so you have to add N. No, you have to go through the sound also. Okay, so here A and N is clear, that A you have to use before consonants and N you have to use before vowels. But you have to also keep in mind that the sound of vowel coming from a spelling, or you have to use N. Okay, sound of vowel. There should be a sound of vowel in the starting, and there should be a sound of consonant in the starting. So you have to use A. Okay, so this is clear. Use of A and N. The use of, see, A and N is indefinite article. Now definite article means the, that we are going to read in the next video. Okay, I'll explain you the use of indefinite article in next video. Till then, just go through it and get yourself concept clear, and if you have any doubt, you're free to ask. Okay, thank you.